Like my nigga Zoe said, Young Hustler Entertainment, we taking over. We doing big this year. We doing it very big. These niggas don't come consistent with it, man. The niggas gonna come on the track, you gotta come on the track. You can't be raw, then the other shit whack, then the other shit don't make sense. You feel me? You gotta be consistent. And shit, bitch can't say nothing about me because I come hard on the track and I'm freestyling fresh off the dome. Bitch, I don't even know what I say 5 minutes later. It's gone. You feel me? We doing it big. Listening to the young hustlers as you watching the young hustlers do what they do every day. Don't get no bigger than this. Bitches don't even want to see us on this camcorder shit showing how we swagged out every day. Super swag, stay high, big joints, big stogies, smoke every day. It seems like every time I fucking get on the track and anything, I'm smoking. I stay high. That's all we do. Young Hustler Entertainment.